What is up? We're going to the Super Bowl for the third year in a row. Three-peat. Three-peat. Let's see if we can get this three-peat. We just beat Baltimore. We were up 4 with 30 seconds left. They came out. Lamar threw almost a pick six immediately. Their butt. If you didn't know, we're in 2028, I think, in my Jets rebuild. Oh my, we're going against Tampa. Man, we should win this. I think we should complete the three-peat, most definitely. Let's see what we gotta talk about here, cause I don't know what they want me to say. Oh yeah, we need consistent offense, man. We need consistent offense. Cause good defense is everything, but if you can't score the ball, then it's nothing. So yeah. Let's see. Play the Super Bowl. Skip. And we're gonna do key moments as we do as usual. We're at 87 overall. We have great defense. We are playing on pro. Every year I win the Super Bowl, we go up a difficulty if you did not know. So stick around for that. But let's get into this goddamn Super Bowl. Let's go to my first plays. Let's just try and get a win or a touchdown or a big completion off the bat. Because this is one of my favorite plays. Because pretty much everybody on slants.
Flushed out right.
Oh yeah.
He's got him in. Complete.
Someone's open every time on that. That's easy. Now, let's see. Sam Laporta. I remember when we traded for him. He's been on this team for a little minute now. I just threw a fucking pick. I just threw a pick. Oh my god. I just threw a pick. And we're down 7. But it's fine. Because when you come back from a pick, you do legendary things like this.
Off the play fake. Noel eluding the pressure right.
Like that. See, that's why we drafted him. That's why we drafted you, Noel. That's why we drafted you. That's why we got that #1 draft pick and drafted him. We haven't used DK Metcalf this playoffs that much. He used to be our #1 wide receiver. And we just let him walk by us. Just let them fucking walk by us. Let's play some actual defense. Like, what are we doing? They're just beating up our defense, bro.
They keep it on the ground.
Yep. Okay. It's fine. Let's go, Breeze. We got them white cornerbacks, bro. Them white cornerbacks and them white safeties. Come on, D-line.
They run straight ahead here with
Yep. Good defense. Good defense. Stay talking smack. Watch us beat you. Watch us beat you. Come on, Breeze. Right. We just let them do that. That was my fault. I was supposed to back off. Wait, who? Interception? Who threw an interception? He has 2 interceptions. Oh my, this nigga's butt. How you get in the Super Bowl and you start playing like actual dog shit? Come on. Oh my. Oh my god, bro. We're 97 overall, about to lose to an 88 overall team. Like, come on. Pick that! Yo. We're getting 21-0'd. And it's their ball. Oh my holy, we're actually cooked. We just lost him, get it! Oh my bro. We're actually done. It's 28. We lost the Super Bowl. Oh my. See, I'm not gonna lie, one of those picks was my fault. But he threw
And it's caught.
2
Touchdown,
picks?
Jets.
They just keep scoring. They just keep scoring. Oh my bro.
Now a play fake here on first down.
Catch.
And that's going to
Oh
be
my, the ball
incomplete.
hit your shoulder.
The ball game now where they've got to take some chances. They've got to put the ball in the air
Bro.
and just see what happens. But this defense
We're
knows
down
that all too well.
3 touchdowns
Off the play
with
fake.
3 minutes
Noel.
left.
Pass complete to Addison. Touchdown,
Oh
Jets.
my.
Jordan Addison with
Flip it. I'm playing the full game. We gotta lock in.
now Mevis for the PAT.
Alright, kick is good. Straight down the middle. But
14. So that drives 7 plays in length. And Jordan Addison capped it off with a touchdown catch. And the Buccaneers able to recover. Their hands teamed up. And now the ball's
Fumble.
out.
Fumble! Oh
One of the
my.
linebackers has got it. And his guys will set up shop at midfield
Oh,
at the 50-yard
we got it?
line. Well, fourth
Oh, I
quarter,
thought they got
felt
it.
like
Oh,
needed the
phew.
football back.
Oh my.
Unfortunately, they couldn't get it.
And I know we brought analytics into the game, and someone has said here that the data says that when a team's expecting
Oh, if he could have held on to that, I thought I just threw a pick.
they do actually recover the ball.
I genuinely just thought I threw a pick.
I just wonder if that number is much more of a anecdotal type of a number. Kind of like when the coaches tell us, well, when you score on special teams, 93% of the time you win the game. I'm still waiting to see that number is empirical.
Jordan Addison is carrying us, man.
The way in, touchdown, New York. Jordan Addison with a record 4th Super Bowl touchdown tonight. And the Jets have made it a
Phew,
one-score
phew,
game
phew,
again.
phew.
Extra point by Mevis is up and good. And now things get a bit more interesting here in this 4th quarter. And the Buccaneers able to recover. Their hands team does its job. The inside kick, when you don't get it, the risk comes out to play. And here they gave up great field position.
Come on.
That's the key to everything because
Come
you're trying
on.
your best to press advantages when you have them. And field position leads you to that type of play calling. Whether you want to blitz or whether you want to throw the ball deep, those types of things. Now they've given up that
I'm
type
not
of
gonna
field
call timeout,
position.
it's fine.
The advantage is switched to their opponent.
Coming up to the line, and they will need to run another play here before the 2-minute warning. Now a give up the middle. This is White. And he's going to get this down close to a first at about the Jets' 43-yard line. 93 yards on the ground for him now as he has gotten better, really, as the night's gone on. Try to take this home. They'll run.
Oh my.
There he goes. And they'll wind up getting this one all the way down inside the 20.
How are we selling?
So defensively, they
We're
run it here with
selling.
1:51 left.
We're genuinely selling.
Contact necessary at this stage as they'll run on
Oh my, he's just bouncing off of our
Showcasing
tackles.
those strong legs on that run, getting through one tackle. Now she winds up getting 8 there. So they come up on 2nd down. If they can get another run like we just saw, would likely put an end to this thing. Opting to run again here with White. And running room hard to come by here. He gets it down to the 8.
Right now we're down 7.
Not the flashiest run, not the one that's going to break for big yardage, but he
If they get a field goal, then we'll still lose.
Paramount, and he got it done.
Nursing that slim lead, you're exactly right. Hold on to that ball. They'll try to pick
Can
this
we
up.
stop him?
And he is going to have a Bucs first down.
This is insane.
Sideline. That should be the one to do it.
All they do is run.
And they will
Yeah, bro, nope. No, I'm not doing that. Nah. Nah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, just no. I'm not gonna be doing that. I will not be doing that. Delete. Nope. Hell nope. Here we go. You know? Now let's actually play some fucking good football, because I don't know what my defense was. I don't know what my QB was doing. Threw 2 interceptions. Yeah, one of those were me, but the other one wasn't. Like, oh my bro. We got carried the whole fucking Super Bowl with Jordan Addison. I'm very happy we traded for him, but holy.
Off play action. Noel. Throw to the right, held in by Addison.
35 yards.
Across midfield down to the 40 before it's all said and done. And that one results in 35 yards.
Let's see if we can get DK.
Off the play
Now
fake.
I'm just...
Noel rolling to his left. Man open downfield. It's Metcalf. Touchdown. DK Metcalf.
Thank you. All right, it's 3rd and 15. Let's play some good defense. Good defense. 4th and 24 to knock them out of field goal range. Come on, bro.
Now back to the
that was good blocking. That was good blocking. I'm not gonna lie. They're gonna get it off before the. No, they're not. Biggest game of the year, and we're choking. Like, I don't understand how we lost.
Charles Davis bringing you all the action. Here's White. Trying to find a lane, but instead he'll get back to the line of scrimmage. And no more.
They're at the 8-yard line. All they do is run. All they do is run. They're not even a good passing team. They have one good running back.
Off the bootleg.
Yes.
Rush coming, and he's taken down. The coverage good, the pressure good, leads to the sack.
Come on, man.
And it's 3rd and goal now. They'll look to throw on 3rd and goal.
Fuck. Pick off the ball, man. You're just running past the ball. Pick it off. Sam Laporta, let's see if you can do something. This is the most cheeks Super Bowl.
Steps away to his left. Going for it all.
FBI. FBI. 44-yard field goal.
Out now Andrew Nevis for the field goal. This from 44 yards away.
Go straight down the middle.
This one through. And they take the lead here now at 10-7.
Thank you.
They're able to end that drive with 3 points in this one possession ball.
Alright. Finally we play some good football.
To throw on 3rd down. McKinney.
How? Oh my, Oliver. You used to be my favorite Blazing, and now you're just butt cheeks. You're a 98 overall. I remember when we drafted you, but now you're just actual ass. Like, please, man. Oh, it's R2 plus. Actually, I want to see what that looks like.
From down at the 12, it's 1st and 10. Looking to throw. Noel escaping the pressure right.
Oh.
And he's going to be brought down just shy of the 5 at the 6. Nice.
All right.
Out of that, and it's 2nd down.
Let's just try something.
Back to throw. Noel.
Easy. Easy, 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 easy.
A 6-yard touchdown run. And the Jets are one.
Come on.
The Bucs going to go ahead and use the
Okay.
second of their timeouts. As the clock will stop with 55 seconds to go until halftime.
Rayford.
Again, he'll drop to throw. Flush to his right.
I wish we could do late hits. I would have smacked him. How are they at the 16-yard line now?
Their third and final timeout. And with halftime on the horizon, they'll be out of
Oh, I bet.
timeouts from here forward.
Use their third timeout. Oh, they're gonna run because they're actual, but
To throw on second down.
no, sir.
This one is incomplete.
And here you're down in the red zone.
Wah wah wah.
Force anything.
Oliver, actually stop emoting because you let that touchdown out. Oliver, your actual ass.
Passing game as he looks
Oh my!
to the side.
I told you they can only flipping run.
The Jets defense
They can
making
only
things
run.
difficult there. Fourth down, so they won't get a touchdown, but here's a chance to at least get
Let's
three to end the first half. A 33-yarder from the left hash. And his kick
All right,
is
they
good.
tie it, but
And that will tie things at 17 all. So they're able to make things level just before half of the...
come on. We couldn't do something in those 5 seconds. In those 5 fucking seconds, we couldn't do anything. Let's play some actual good football.
On third
Because I don't know
down,
what.
McKinney.
Oh. Their QB is actual ass. What?
Jets defense.
I thought that was an easy completion. They go for 20. Let's see if we can get DK Metcalf on something.
Off the play fake. Noel.
If he would have caught that.
On third down as that was not...
No! Oh. It's the 45-yard line.
Looking to throw. Noel. Being chased out.
Flip.
He can't get rid of the football, and he's taken down.
Nah, we're gonna kick it. I don't care, we're gonna kick it.
Here's Michael Pilardi now as he's on to punt for New York. But how about this, a fake?
Oh!
And this is caught. How about that for a call? Leading in the second half. Fake.
Hold up, wait. Hold up. That's first.
And partner, I love
That's
the
first, isn't it?
as much as anyone.
That's first. That's first.
Red flag out on the field.
I don't care that's
Challenge
first.
forthcoming.
Oh my.
So that challenge not successful there, and that's going to cost him the first of his timeouts.
Oh, that
The
would have been
Bucs
like
offense set to
inches,
begin
bro.
their next possession. And we're at the time in the Super Bowl where, look, they need points. And they need them badly. As they begin this drive.
What would I be challenging? Super Sim. Keep key moments. Oh, 4th and 5. 4th and 5.
From the gun on third down.
What are you doing? Oliver!
That's first down.
You're a 97 overall. What the actual fuck are you doing? You're 20 yards behind your man.
Back to throw again.
They're all. Oh my, what is my. Dude, you wouldn't think that this is a 94 overall defense with how we're playing. Defense needs help. Well, yeah, no fucking duh. They're ass. Oh my, this is insane.
Back to throw.
Oh my. Jeez. Fourth with 2 minutes left. Let's see if we can do something. Drag your feet.
And this is caught on the sideline.
Good boy.
Feet in, they are. What a
Oh
catch.
my, he's cooking.
Look at 34
Jordan
yards
Addison.
there. The challenge flag is out. Todd Bowles not
Okay.
pleased with the ruling on the field, and he's going to ask the officials to take another look.
Nope, that's a. You just wasted your timeout, my guy. The ruling. Exactly, buddy. Thank you. Jordan Addison, you're actually our guy on this team. Good block. Good block. Oh, that would have been on his head. Oh, that would have been on his head. Hey, get off of him, bro. Let's get a wide receiver comeback.
That time, it didn't work out.
Come on.
Second and 10, he'll look to throw again.
No. I thought. Oh, damn.
It's a loss of a yard, so they'll wind up crediting him with a sack, and it brings up third down.
2-minute warning.
3 points separating these two sides with 2 minutes left.
We're down 3. We're down 3, but
As we get you reset here.
we'll try and win this.
Needing a score here in the late going. Off play action.
Oh my.
Noel.
Oh my.
Is caught.
Open wide receiver, and his name is Jordan Addison. Oh my, he was the best trade we ever made.
And the Jets have regained the lead in the second half of this Super Bowl.
We're about to win the Super Bowl.
And congratulations.
We're about to win the Super Bowl. Alright, come on, defense. Come on. Let's actually try and play some good defense. Cause you guys have been playing butt.
Back to throw.
Pick that. Oh.
Sideline there, but it's incomplete.
Oh, you should have picked that. You should have picked that.
Almost a surprise when he doesn't complete a pass like having there, but
Come
he
on.
needs a few more to get his guys downfield.
Well, the way he's thrown it,
McKinley.
leads him to believe that he's going to get those completions.
Hell
That
no.
means the guys going out for passes, they'll
I'm gonna
run
keep
even
that.
harder because they expect it as well.
Now I got one more timeout. Let's try and get them to use that, or let's hold them.
As they'll talk it over here before what'll be an important third down.
McKinley. McKinley.
Back to throw.
Oh my, what the
This
fuck
is
are we doing?
Robinson.
No, like, what are we doing?
Bounds with the first down.
That's
So
like the
ideal
genuine
set of
question, what are we doing?
circumstances there. They move the chains,
I don't know
and they
what
save that final timeout.
or why we're just letting them
Wanted there.
walk around, but
Catch, get out of bounds, stop there.
okay.
And I have to criticize defense here because you know the situation. You want to keep them inbounds and have the clock run.
Yep.
So I'm saying on the
1 yard.
outside portion of the
Oh,
field,
one singular yard. Number 19, McKinley, your ass. McCumley.
that's not the way you're supposed to play it.
Come on, defense.
He's back to throw.
Come on, yes, sir. Oh my fat ass O lineman got to him. I'm so proud of you, boy. You're about to get so many Big Mac. Oh, shit. Nope. You push. Oh my. You push him into the first down. What are we actually doing?
They'll look to throw.
Yep. Good. Come on.
Second and 9. That's complete to Wright.
Good. Their last time out. Their last time out.
As the clock will stop.
It's their last time out.
20 seconds left to go. On 3rd and 2. McKinney.
Hicks, no. Good. Don't let them get this. Don't let them get this. Are we about to be Super Bowl champs? No! No! No, I actually just jinxed myself. I actually just jinxed myself. I said we're about to be Super Bowl champs, and I did that. Oh my God! No. Oh my, bro.
Boy, a tight game like this, fourth quarter,
My
personal foul penalties.
God.
Yeah, we know the emotions are running high. The tensions are the
How?
same. Who can control them best could ultimately win it.
Oh my,
Here's first and
bro.
10.
Please, bro. We just lost the
Play fake.
Super Bowl.
Noel.
Did we? Did we?
This is caught by
Did we?
Addison.
Did we? Did we?
To the right side.
No! We did it!
On the game's final play.
I'm like that!
And a receiver
Oh my
breaking
God,
tackles.
I'm like that!
This one's
Oh,
going to stay for
we
Very
did
active defensively there.
it!
One stop. I know that it's easy to say that
Oh
from the
my,
booth, but
Jordan
this is how you make it
Addison!
happen, partner.
Our
That's one of
top
those
wide
where
receiver
sometimes you make
to win the game!
mistakes, get out of your lanes, don't take care of your assignments.
Yes,
Just
sir!
go ahead and focus on the offensive
Whoever, I
guy.
don't know
When they get
what
it done,
cornerback it was that let that
put
happen with
themselves in
9
the
seconds
game.
left on the
That's going to
clock.
put a stop to
But
the
we
drive
are
tonight. Happy
champions!
ending to this one.
3
The New York Jets
Pete!
have won the Super
Oh
Bowl.
my
And the MVP
God!
trophy will be in
Oh
the
my, that was too
dugout.
close. No, that was actually way too
And their
close.
remarkable season ends in the most
Oh my,
remarkable of
bro, I
ways. They
thought,
get to put
oh
next to their
my,
name
look
Super
at
Bowl
us!
champion.
That's
Yeah,
our
that's
Super
beauty,
Bowl!
Kevin.
Nope.
That lasts forever.
Oh
You
my,
sit there,
yes
you see the emotion when it's all
sir!
said and done. You see the hugs,
Oh
you see the
my,
guys sharing, the
we are
collective praise. That's what will
champions!
carry you around
We
along with
are
the nationals to celebrate the
champions!
triumph. And
We
congratulations to
are
them. A fantastic season.
champions of the world! We are champions. We are champions. Look at the highlights. Um, no, I actually want to look at this, okay? What even happened here, right? So, bang. Oliver. Oh my, Oliver, I hate you. He threw it. He tried to pick off the ball and cut in front of him. And let him just literally run in. And just let him run in. He just let him. Number 3 had a chance. Oh my breath. And then we had kickoff. And then on the first flipping play. On the first play. I want to see their reaction. Oh, I don't know how we did that. Anywho, shout out y'all, love y'all. Mwah. This is a 30-minute video, which is crazy, but shout out y'all, love y'all.